everyone! Since we are at the beginning of the road, I think it's best we establish some main guidelines. One of the most important is the service manual. No matter if digital or on paper, it's quite easy to obtain one dedicated to our car with a small price or even free. Regardless of how knowledgeable we are when we start this trip, best way is to have in perspective the exact specific factory values for the vehicle that we wish to maintain correctly. We're past speaking in general, we are not mechanics. First of all, we have to take care of our car, and only after we have good understanding on the topic, we can also offer help to others when needed. The searching criteria is year of making, body type, engine and gearbox. A good overall knowledge of the car functioning parameters help us detect early malfunctions that occur and know always exactly our status and what we have to do about it. With our hands, we can be more efficient, but only if we rely on quality information and procedures. We arrive at another important pillar that sustains proper maintenance of our car with our hands, the car tester. Generally speaking, since about 1996, each of us could understand better the messages sent by cars by connecting to the car computer with a device that translates those messages into error code language. Here we should develop a little more, but in another video, that is also included in this essential kit for the beginning of the journey with our hands. Today, most commonly, this device will connect through the OBD tube car port that is most often found under the steering wheel or the central console. There are various types, and depending on the model, these testers can help us with simple things like erasing the unnecessary errors in the dashboard, but also with more complex endeavors like testing various engine annexes and regenerating the particle filter. Again, a quite complex topic that deserves a separate video. You will find it beside this video in this starter kit. Only when we will be sure of our progress and the good condition of the vehicle, we can properly face the unknown and properly think if we wish to modify something on our vehicle and what. That being said, I think we covered it for this step. More video with more information are coming up. If you like it, if it's useful, if you wish to unite and grow the With Our Hands community, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you wish to keep up with the latest info, don't forget about the bell. For any questions or suggestions, please use the comment section. I will respond with a comment, or I will even make a video on the topic. All the best to you all. The future is made with our hands.